Welcome back to our deep dive into the history of the Lucasian Professors of Mathematics.
Yeah, this is a big one.
It is?
This is our 20th episode.
I know, can you believe it?
I can't.
Today we're going to be focusing on the 19th holder of this prestigious position, Michael Cates.
All right.
Get ready to explore the fascinating world of soft matter.
Yeah, that's right. Cates' work in this area has truly revolutionized our understanding of materials.
It really has.
Like polymers, colloids, and gels.
Yeah.
Substances we encounter every day.
Every day.
But rarely stop to think about their complexity.
It's amazing how much science is hidden in plain sight.
It is.
So, for those who may be unfamiliar with the term, could you give us a quick rundown of what exactly soft matter encompasses?
Sure. Soft matter refers to materials that possess properties of both solids and liquids.
Yep.
They can deform under stress, like a liquid, but also retain some elastic behavior, like a solid.
Okay.
Think about squeezing a tube of toothpaste.
Okay.
It flows, but it doesn't completely lose its shape.
Right, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So where does Michael Cates fit into all of this?
Well, Cates has dedicated a significant portion of his career to unraveling the mysteries of how soft matter behaves.
Okay.
He's particularly interested in developing mathematical models known as constitutive equations that can accurately predict how these materials will respond to different forces.
Constitutive equations, now those are pretty complex.
They can be.
Can you break that down a bit further for us?
Imagine trying to predict how a blob of jelly will deform if you push on it.
Right.
Constitutive equations provide the mathematical framework to do just that.
Okay.
They establish a relationship between the stress applied to a material and the resulting deformation or flow.
So to predict the behavior of something as seemingly unpredictable as a blob of jelly, there must be some serious mathematics involved.
Yeah, absolutely. And Cates' work has been groundbreaking in this regard.
Okay.
He's made significant strides in developing these equations,
Oh, yeah.
not just for simple systems,
Okay.
but for complex ones too.
Got it.
Like solutions containing long, flexible molecules called polymers.
I read that one of his major contributions was a theory explaining the behavior of worm-like surfactant micelles.
Yeah.
What exactly are those and why are they important?
These worm-like structures are formed by molecules called surfactants, which have a love-hate relationship with water.
Okay.
One end of the molecule is attracted to water,
Right.
while the other end repels it.
Okay.
This causes them to self-assemble into these long, worm-like chains called micelles.
So they're like tiny little self-organizing structures, all thanks to the quirks of chemistry.
Yes, precisely. And Cates' model was crucial in understanding how these micelles behave.
Okay.
He discovered that they don't just exist as isolated worms.
Okay.
They can actually transition between different phases,
Wow.
depending on their concentration and other factors.
Different phases.
Yeah, like how water can exist as ice, liquid water, or steam.
Okay.
So that's a great analogy, and this insight was a game changer.
Yeah.
It helped us understand how self-assembly works in these soft matter systems,
Right.
and how we can manipulate their properties by controlling their environment.
It's starting to become clear how this seemingly niche area of research can have broader implications.
Yes.
You mentioned drug delivery earlier.
Yeah,
Could you elaborate on that connection?
absolutely.
Okay.
Understanding the behavior of these micelles is critical in developing targeted drug delivery systems.
Okay.
Imagine using these tiny structures to encapsulate a drug
Sure.
and then deliver it to a specific location in the body.
Right.
To do that effectively, you need to know how the micelles will respond to changes in pH, temperature, and other conditions within the body.
So by understanding the physics of these tiny worms, we can potentially design more effective drug delivery systems. This really highlights the interconnectedness of scientific disciplines.
It does, and Cates' work is a perfect example of that.
Yeah.
His contributions extend beyond just theoretical models. They have real-world applications with the potential to impact our lives in a tangible way.
Speaking of impact, before we move on to his later work, I'm curious about his background.
Okay.
You mentioned that his work is deeply rooted in mathematics.
Yes, it is.
Did he follow a traditional path to becoming a physicist?
Yes, he did.
Okay.
Born in Bristol, England in 1961,
Okay.
he eventually earned his PhD from Trinity College, Cambridge in 1985.
Wow.
His doctoral advisor was Sir Sam Edwards,
Right.
a renowned physicist in his own right,
Okay.
who specialized in polymer physics.
Okay.
It's interesting to see how these lineages form within academia.
It's like passing the torch of knowledge from one generation to the next.
Yeah.
I'm sure having a mentor like Edwards must have been incredibly influential in shaping his career.
Undoubtedly, and that influence is clearly reflected in Kate's own work,
Okay.
particularly in his contributions to polymer physics.
Now, I understand that Cates didn't stop at unraveling the complexities of passive soft matter.
He did not.
He went on to explore a realm known as active matter.
Right.
What exactly is active matter and what sparked his interest in this area?
Active matter takes things to a whole new level.
Okay.
It refers to materials composed of individual components that can move on their own, consuming energy from their surroundings.
Okay.
Imagine flocks of birds,
Right.
schools of fish, or even bacterial colonies.
Wow, that's a huge leap from studying the behavior of, say, shampoo or mayonnaise.
It is, and that's why it's so fascinating.
Yeah.
Instead of just passively responding to external forces, these systems exhibit collective behavior that emerges from the interactions of their individual components.
So it's about understanding how individual actions can lead to complex coordinated patterns at a larger scale.
Exactly, and Cates was one of the pioneers in applying the principles of soft matter physics to these active systems,
Interesting.
pushing the boundaries of the field even further.
So instead of just predicting how a blob of gel will deform, now we're talking about modeling the synchronized movements of a flock of birds or the intricate dynamics of a bacterial colony.
Precisely, and this has opened up exciting new avenues of research,
Yeah.
allowing us to delve deeper into the fundamental principles governing the behavior of living systems.
That's incredible.
Yeah,
It's almost like blurring the lines between physics and biology,
it is.
using the tools of mathematics to understand the intricate dances of life.
Exactly.
But before we dive into the specifics of his work in active matter,
Okay.
let's take a closer look at his career trajectory.
Okay.
Did he reign at Cambridge after completing his PhD?
Actually, he moved to the University of Edinburgh, where he became professor of natural philosophy.
Natural philosophy that takes us back to the roots of science,
It does.
when disciplines were more intertwined.
Yes.
And it seems that Cates embodied that spirit bridging gaps between physics, mathematics, and biology.
He did, and his contributions didn't go unnoticed. In 2007, he was awarded a Royal Society Research Professorship, a testament to his exceptional achievements in science.
That's a prestigious honor indeed.
It is.
It's clear that Cates' work was making waves within the scientific community.
It was, and the recognition kept coming. But that's a story for our next segment.
Okay.
For now, let's pause and reflect on the groundbreaking nature of his work in soft matter and active matter.
It's truly remarkable.
Yeah.
From ketchup to bird flocks.
Exactly.
His research has illuminated the hidden complexities of the world around us and opened up new frontiers in scientific understanding.
It all started with a fascination for those materials that exist somewhere between the rigid and the fluid, those that both flow and resist, bend and bounce back, the intriguing world of soft matter.
And on that note,
Yeah.
we're going to take a short break.
All right.
When we return, we'll delve further into Cates' later career,
Okay.
his return to Cambridge, and the lasting impact of his work on the world of science.
Sounds good.
So before the break, we were talking about Michael Cates' career trajectory and how impressive it was,
Yeah.
including his time at the University of Edinburgh as a professor of natural philosophy.
Right.
You were about to tell us about some of the recognition that he received for his work.
Yes. His work earned him quite a few accolades.
Okay.
He received the Dirac Medal
Okay.
from the Institute of Physics,
Okay.
a prestigious award
Right.
named after another brilliant Lucasian professor that
Wow.
we've covered in this series,
Okay.
Paul Dirac.
It's fascinating to see those connections.
It is.
How the work of these exceptional scientists intertwines across generations.
Yeah, it speaks to the enduring impact of the Lucasian professorship and the legacy of groundbreaking research associated with it.
Yeah, and it's amazing how many of them we've covered in this show.
It is. So
So-
what else? Cates also received the Weissenberg Award
Okay.
from the European Society of Rheology
Okay.
and the Bingham Medal,
Okay.
the highest honor bestowed by the U.S. Society of Rheology.
Now, root quantity, that's the study of how materials flow into form, right?
Mm-hmm. Exactly. And these awards underscore the significance of Cates' contributions to understanding the complex behavior of materials,
Okay.
particularly those that fall into the category of soft matter.
Yeah, it's clear that Cates' work has resonated far beyond the theoretical realm,
Yeah.
garnering recognition from leading scientific organizations worldwide.
It has indeed, but perhaps the most significant recognition came in 2015,
Okay.
when he returned to Cambridge to become the 19th Lucasian Professor of Mathematics.
A full circle moment, coming back to the institution where he began his academic journey.
Exactly. And this appointment placed him in the company of scientific giants like Newton, Stokes, Dirac, and Hawking, a testament to the enduring legacy of this position and the remarkable individuals who have held it.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's truly inspiring to see how Kate's career has unfolded, marked by groundbreaking research, international acclaim, and ultimately this prestigious appointment.
Yeah.
But beyond the accolades and positions, what do you see as the lasting impact of his work?
That's a great question.
Thank you.
On a practical level,
Yeah.
his research has paved the way for the development of new materials
Okay.
with tailored properties.
Got it.
Think about advanced polymers for medical implants or smart materials that respond to changes in their environment.
So our everyday lives could be directly influenced by advancements stemming from Kate's research.
Absolutely. And his work on active matter has opened up new avenues for understanding biological processes,
Okay.
from the behavior of bacteria
Okay.
to the intricate workings of cells within our bodies.
It's amazing to think that something as seemingly abstract as theoretical physics can have such tangible implications for our lives and our understanding of the world around us.
It really highlights the interconnectedness of scientific disciplines.
It does.
And Kate's work embodies that interconnectedness,
Yeah.
bridging the gap between the theoretical and the practical, the physical and the biological.
Now, before we wrap up,
Okay.
I'm curious about something you touched upon earlier.
Okay.
The potential for Kate's research to shed light on complex systems beyond the traditional realm of physics.
Okay.
Could you elaborate on that?
Certainly. Kate's research on active matter has focused primarily on physical systems, like flocks of birds or bacterial colonies.
Right.
However, the principles he's uncovered could potentially be applied to other complex systems as well.
I'm intrigued. What kind of systems are we talking about?
Think about the complex dynamics of social systems,
Okay.
the unpredictable fluctuations of financial markets, or even the intricate workings of the human brain.
Okay.
These systems, while vastly different in nature, share a common thread.
Okay.
They're all composed of interacting individuals,
All right.
each with its own motivations and responses to its environment.
That's a fascinating perspective.
Yeah.
You're suggesting that the same principles governing the collective behavior of a flock of birds could potentially offer insights into the dynamics of a financial market.
It might seem like a stretch,
Yeah.
but that's the beauty of scientific inquiry. By seeking connections between seemingly disparate domains, we can often uncover surprising insights and push the boundaries of our understanding.
It's a reminder that the pursuit of knowledge is about exploring uncharted territories,
It is.
venturing beyond the confines of established disciplines.
Precisely. And Kate's work exemplifies that spirit. He's not just solving puzzles within a defined framework, he's expanding the framework itself,
Okay.
inviting us to see the world through a new lens.
Yeah. And Kate's is not the only Lucasian professor that we've covered that does that.
No, he isn't.
So it's really amazing to see that legacy continue
Yeah.
through the work that we've covered on this show.
Yeah.
And on that note, we've reached the end of our deep dive into the life and work of Michael Cates,
Okay.
the 19th Lucasian Professor of Mathematics at the University of Cambridge.
It's been a pleasure exploring his remarkable journey, from his early fascination with soft matter to his groundbreaking work in active matter and his enduring impact on the world of science.
Yeah, it's been a truly fascinating journey.
It has...
Exploring the life and work of a scientist who's not afraid to push boundaries
Right.
and challenge conventional thinking.
Absolutely. He embodies the spirit of the Lucasian Professorship, a position that has always been associated with bold ideas and groundbreaking discovery.
From his early work on soft matter to his later explorations of active matter,
Right.
Michael Cates has consistently demonstrated a deep curiosity
He has.
and a remarkable ability to connect seemingly disparate ideas.
Yeah.
His research has not only advanced our understanding of the physical world, but also paved the way for practical applications,
It has.
with the potential to impact our lives in a meaningful way.
It's a testament to the power of scientific inquiry,
It is.
driven by a passion for understanding the complexities of the world around us,
It is.
whether it's the behavior of a simple polymer
Right.
or the intricate dynamics of a living system.
And as we conclude this deep dive into the legacy of Michael Cates,
Yeah.
the 19th Lucasian Professor of Mathematics at the University of Cambridge, I'm left with a sense of wonder and excitement for the future of scientific exploration.
Me too. His work serves as an inspiration to all of us,
It does.
encouraging us to embrace complexity,
Yeah.
see connections, and never stop asking questions.
And who knows what groundbreaking discoveries await us
Yeah.
as we continue to delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe,
Right.
guided by the spirit of curiosity and innovation
Yeah.
that Michael Cade so brilliantly embodies.
Until our next deep dive, keep exploring, keep questioning.
And keep pushing the boundaries of knowledge.